All right, y'all. So here's what I did to figure out how to use our school laptops to record screens. So right now I'm actually using a free thing from online called Screencast-O-Matic, which all you have to do is click on this launch free recorder thing, and then it records your screen. You have the option to only record your screen or to record your screen and do a little video nugget down here using your integrated camera, so the camera that's already installed on our laptop. Another thing that you can do that I've found when looking at what is actually on our device to use is on your keyboard, you are actually going to hit the Windows button and then the G key. So the button that looks like the Windows and then the G. And you see that this situation right here pops up. Hopefully that is working. And you have a capture menu. So you can record your screen with the Xbox feature here. That's the only screen recording feature that is built in on our laptop. Now, the issue is that it only records something like in an app or in a web browser, so it won't record your desktop, it won't record anything. Basically, it's a feature for gamers. So like if they're playing Xbox, then they can do kind of this thing that I'm doing right now, where they're recording their gaming while they're online. So I would say the easiest and most user-friendly thing is Screencast-O-Matic, and you can see this up here. I looked through every app that's on our desktop. I looked through everything, and I think this is probably the easiest way. So here you can choose to do just your screen, and like you can talk over it, or you can do your screen plus yourself like I'm doing right now, and you can move where yourself will be placed and everything. So I think this is probably going to be our best bet, because I played with the Xbox One and it's kind of probably not what we're going to need as far as trying to move our instruction online. So I hope this is helpful. Do Screencast-O-Matic. That's my recommendation for our school laptops. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.